Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. It is a beautiful day. The birds are chirping, and everyone's having a wonderful time. So, hey, look, Dawn Tank, it's happening. It's a massive experience for us, and it's also a massive part of our economics grade because it does help you practice what we're learning in economics in a real sense for that one. For whatever reason, something's happened. Either you've left the company, you've been terminated, you've quit, something happened. So what we have to do is we have to have you do the work to make up for it, because reality is it is a massive grade, and we have to have those instructional minutes count. So we have to have you get credit so you can get the quality score that you deserve. So it is very much a way to pick you back up, if you will, instead of having to keep you down. And that's what I really aim to do for you. So what I need you to do is go to the Dawn Tank homepage, as we've always done, and click on the tab DT Forms. Once you've done that, it goes to this. I need you just to scroll all the way down, go past everything to once you get to here, where it says terminated from Dawn Tank. Go ahead and read that, right, just as a way to kind of uplift yourself in that one. Look at this. What it is going to tell you is this is what it is. EverFi is a platform. Some people will say it's Edgenuity. It's not, because this is a first-time learning experience. Edgenuity is very much a mitigation of you have to redo the work because you failed it once. This is not the case for it. But what you are going to do is you're going to do these individual courses here. Future goals, there's actually 2 of them. So what you're going to do is you're going to do, 4? You're going to do 7 unique courses. What it does say is you have to attempt it, 100% completion, and we really are looking for you to get a 70% pass rate or above in that one. The reason why, and I'll show you later, is because you can get industry level certificates, so you actually get something for it. Here is the class code, so when you do go to EverFi, you're going to need that to log in with, so that way you can automatically join these and go with it. If you want to go straight to EverFi, you can click on the logo here, and it will take you to where you need to. First thing is, we're going to have to register, okay? I'm already here, so you can already see, but we want to register. So we'll go to that. You click yourself as a student learner, type in that code, right? And click next, and then it's going to ask you to fill in everything. Please do that, okay? And then click next, and you'll start in the same screen. What I would ask you is when you create a password and username, do something that is explicit for you. I know we want you to use ComptonUSD.net as your optional email, but for username and password, do something that you remember, right? Because it's personal for you. Once we get in there, these are the different courses, so we can see. And what I was talking about, for example, is this venture one. When you do it, it is sponsored by Mechanics Bank. And so when you complete this and you get that industry level certificate, Mechanics Bank is going to give that to you for free. That way you can put it on your resume or your CV, whatever, as a way to show real knowledge, and it really helps boost your thing up. It's very much like if you did an internship or apprenticeship, it does help you in that regard. So that's why we're really serious on it. It's not a joke. It's a real thing that we want to do in that one. So if we were to just look at some of the courses, for example here, we go to view course, and we can kind of see the platform. Obviously, I need to log in first, of course. There we go. Okay, so we can view the course and see what it looks like a little bit. What you're going to notice with this is it's very much a simulation-like type of thing.
What does your world look like? Is your school community a positive one, where classmates support one another? Do people treat you the way you want to be treated? Change is a chain reaction.
Wonderful.
You can make a small change today and see a positive impact tomorrow.
You can click
For yourself,
all the instructions as you need.
You have the power.
It is going to tell you to take the quizzes or the tests, and you can always redo them. But the whole point is it's at your pace, and you can go whichever class you want. It doesn't matter, okay? This is where, though, for me on this one, I really need you to prioritize that April 10th due date, because what it will be, don't worry about the names because everyone's working hard, I know that. We'll see your name, and then we'll see here not certified and everything. What we want to see is we want to see it switch to certified. Once it does switch to certified, it basically knocks it out for you, so you don't have to do it anymore. It's done, right? So we really want to make sure that we're pushing forth. We're doing the stuff. It is all self-autonomous, so we do want to make sure that we're doing what we say we're doing. And just to show you, my reports, what they look like. So what it does is it shows everyone here, and it shows, have you been certified? No. And it shows your pass rate on them. So obviously, like I said, I know right now haven't done a whole lot, but we'll get there. So just please make sure you're staying on it, because April 10th is the due date for it at 11:59 p.m. There will be no extensions on that because Dawn Tank will have already been over by then. So I'm granting you that extra week to do it. If you have any problems or anything, please send me a reminder. I'm here for you, but just know you matter, and we want you to get something from it because you deserve to get something. All right? Take care. Good luck, guys.